the House yesterday, and she has tons of meetings today. If there are no questions for her, Mr. Chairman, I hope you will allow her to leave already.
Yes,
Yes. Yeah.
provided you will come back.
Thank you. Mr. Chairman, thank you. With your permission, Senator Bam, Mr. Chairman, just one point on that. Sec, when we discussed yung tulay na bumaksak, wala masyadong nag-pick up siguro dahil kasagsagan ng eleksyon, maraming issues, but the Blue Ribbon Committee did have several hearings. I asked you two things, no? Bakit mukhang exempted ang DPWH sa preventive suspension? Alam niyo po, si Senator Miriam Defensor, nilabanan niya yun dito because she was preventively suspended. Then she became senator. But ang argument niya is that I cannot cover kasi wala na ako dun sa opisina na yon. But I heard kanina na walang na preventive suspension. So in connection sa tanong ni Senator Bam, kung meron nagtatakip sa ghost, wala pa tayo dun sa iba, sa ghost, pero hindi siya preventively suspended, then he or she will have time. Second point lang, and I'll stop there because nakapila naman yung iba. Ito, Sec, sinubmit nyo sa amin eh. DPWH protocols for ensuring the quality of safety infrastructure projects. According sa makapal na memo na to, from the central office all the way down to the DE, meron silang quality control. So, my point, Sec, no, I don't know kung mahaba o maikli yung answer dito. Pero if you find the ghost, yung point nga ni Senator Bram, grabe yung dami ng taong nakisama doon. But having said that, Sec, nakalagay dito sa memo nyo that the quality control should be submitted all the way up to the USEC. So lahat ng completed, meron ng report ang USEC. So maybe you should submit yung report ng USEC galing sa quality control. Kasi kung nakalagay doon completed tapos ghost, edi lahat nung nag-report hanggang sa USEC. I'm not saying involved yung USEC. Kasi nire-report lang sa kanila. Pero lahat ng bumaba, involved sila. Kasi bakit sila magre-report na completed kung wala? So I just submit that point, Mr. Chair. No? And maybe the Secretary can give us an insight. Paano ba nagwo-work to?
Tama pa yan. I think, yes, we have instituted actually that a protocol, Your Honor, that from the top, there are quality assurance units that the department would field in looking at some of the projects. Not all the projects, Your Honor, because there are thousands of projects that we implement in a year. So there is yung quality assurance units namin would go into a region and
So, assuming, Sec, na hindi lahat may quality assurance, pero reporting-wise, lahat ng completed, umaakit yan, di ba?
yes po, yes.
Oh, so, until what point ang kailangan may physical na na-verify? So, if the DE reports that it's finished, it's a district engineer project, or the regional office says kompleto to, pag nag-report siya sa ASEC, titignan ba ng ASEC yun, or take the regional directors? I think yun yung gusto namin maklarify para alam namin kung sino ipatatawag namin.
Yes. Meron po yung quality assurance unit in all levels, Your Honor. Meron sa district office, meron din sa regional office, and meron din sa national level, Your Honor. So the national level will not be able to cover everything. So we just, the quality assurance units, if the project is being implemented by the district, then the quality assurance unit of the district will be the one to make the report. If it is going to be implemented by the region...
Presidente na nagsabi at kayo na nagsabing mukhang may ghost.
Opo.
But it's been 3 weeks since the SONA.
Yes, po.
All you have to do naman is tell them na saan yung report na tapos kunan nyo ng picture.
Yes, po.
Hindi ba nung years ago, because nangyari na to, may requirement na kayo na 0%, 50%, 100% kinukunan yon?
Yes po.
Tinanggal nyo ba yung requirement na yon?
I think...
Paki-check nyo yun. Kasi
Yes po.
nung nagka-cellphone, Mr. Chairman, maraming nagsuggest na noon na instead na habol pa tayo ng habol, bago ma-start yung project, kasi may mga project sec, di ba, na gawa na or 10 years nandun, sasabihin nyo, tapos gawa na pala yung pundasyon, di ba? So, kinukunan yung 0%.
Yes.
And then pag 50% na, at what point pwede ka maningil ng progress billing? 25%, 50%? Di ba may mobilization? Ano yung susunod na pwede kang
After
humingi?
15, yeah,
After
20%.
Oh,
Yeah.
hindi naman pwedeng walang documentation yung 20% na yun, di ba?
Meron po.
Oh, so kasi pagka ghost ni 20% wala.
Yeah.
So dapat may picture man lang yun. So I'm just pointing out, Mr. Chairman, I'll stop there, na may paper trail at meron technology to deal with that. Eh. So kung tinanggal yun, di, alam na natin na may binabalak.
Thank you, Senator Cayetano. Mr. Secretary, meron po bang na-insert na flood control na hindi ginawa?
Yun hindi po namin napupuntahan, Your Honor. I think.
Oo. I'm very interested to know kasi kunyari po may nag-insertion tulay. Pumunta ang DPWH, wala namang ilog. Hindi nyo naman gagawin eh. Di ba? Gagawa ba kayo ng tulay na walang ilog? Pero hindi. Di ba? So I'm wondering, meron bang insertion ng flood control tapos na-check ninyo, wala namang flooding dito eh. Ba't tayo gagawa ng flood control? Wala namang problema. Baka lang po meron, Mr. Secretary. You can check also your figures. No?
Your Honor, we will check also.
Okay, last question. I think we have an opportunity, Mr. Secretary, to really work on the 2026 budget. Itong flood control, yun, nabanggit pa siya sa SONA, di ba? Naging highlight siya ng SONA ng Presidente. We have an opportunity to do a better job. Of course, magkaka-investigation, natin malaman sino yung mga involved. But we have an opportunity na gawin ng tama for 2026. Pagdating po sa flooding, yung mga lugar na may flooding talaga, sinong ahensya ba talaga yung may kaalaman po dyan? Is it DENR? Is it DPWH? DILG po ba yan? I would guess meron po kayong expertise kung saan talaga yung totoong flooding sa Pilipinas. Tama po ba?
We have some data on it, Your Honor, but I think DNR would have the complete, comprehensive
Well,
program.
Opo, I don't think DENR is with us today, but si Namria nandito. Alam niyo yan, di ba? Sa Namria. Baka po maganda, Mr. Secretary, habang hindi pa naman tapos yung oras, hanggang December pa naman yung budget, makapag-usap kayo ni DBM, makapag-usap kayo ng DENR, at magsabi kayo, talagang totoong flood control. Yung mapagmamalaki natin, hindi kahihiya. Di ba sabi ni Presidente, mahiya naman kayo. Hindi natin kahihiya itong budget na ito, nakafocus sa mga lugar na madalas may flooding, gaya po ng Central Zone, Pampanga, Bulacan, at marami pang lugar. And then,